Welcome back to another episode of Lakehurst Outdoor Adventures. This week we're going to be talking about rec specs. Now, a lot of people thought I was joking when I said I bought goggles for my dogs, but in fact I wasn't. So rec specs is a goggle that is designed to fit over the dog's snout. It attaches behind the head and under the muzzle, allowing the dog to have eye protection. You know, you might be wondering, why does my dog need to wear goggles? That's just silly. You know, coyotes and wolves live outdoors, they don't wear goggles, and they seem to have no issues. But one of the places where we go walking, there's a lot of porcupines, and we've had dogs get quills in the face. One quill in the eye, and your dog could lose his eye, or you could be spending a lot of money on surgery. You know, this is a simple precaution that, you know, could save you a few dollars in the long run. Plus, they look pretty cool. So, rec specs come in many different colors. This is the coyote gray with the blue lenses. As you can see, there's a strap that goes underneath the snout and a clip that goes behind the head. You can get interchangeable colors. We also have an orange frame, and they all come with clear lenses. So we have clear lenses, blue lenses, we have some orange lenses, and they're pretty durable. They do get scratched. When you're initially starting them off, I started without lenses in the goggles. Then I went to clear lenses and then to the tinted ones. And depending on if you're in the woods, out in the field, what the weather's like will all depend what lenses you would use. But like I said, they are pretty durable. They do get scratched, but they're replaceable. But they're like any pair of sunglasses. It's gonna happen. Now the goggles do come with a microfiber cloth, which you can keep your spare lenses in. So they're essentially like a ski goggle. You would treat them the same. As for how the dogs like them, at the beginning, our puppy seemed to enjoy them a lot more. He would wear them around the house without an issue, where our older dog didn't take to them as well. Now, the older dog will wear them for the full duration of a walk, so up to 30 minutes without any issues, where the puppy, he might go 15 to 20 minutes and then he wants them off. And it all depends on how busy he is. If he has nothing else to worry about, then he's going to want them off sooner. So they do get pretty excited when they get to put their goggles on, because they think, you know, they're going outside, you got to make it fun for them. You give them treats, you get them excited. So we're going to go ahead and put Seiko's goggles on. Now, those of you who don't know Seiko, Seiko is a 8-month-old German Wirehair pointer. He's supposed to be used for upland game hunting and waterfowl. So the goggles could help running through the woods, juniper bushes, especially for partridge and stuff. So you're gonna open up the bottom of the snout first, the bottom part here. I like to put them on from behind. I'll put it on the snout, roll the goggles up over his face. So we'll go ahead and do that. So once the goggles are on his eyes, you go ahead and tighten the straps and do them up behind his ears. Now you want to make sure their ears are loose and they're not being pinched by the straps. But as you can see, it fits tightly along the nose and around the eyes. His ears are loose, so he can still have his ears, and you have to make sure that the mouth will still open, that the muzzle is not too tight. Goggles look when they're on the dog. Now these are the clear lenses. That's basically how they look on the dog. So the goggles range from, I believe they start around $70 and go up to anywhere around $100. They do have deals on where shipping is free, and they usually get them to you in 2 to 3 days. We're gonna go ahead, get the dog strapped up, and head outside and get some footage on how the dogs react wearing the goggles, and just show you how good they look on your dog. We're gonna go ahead and cue the music and get out in the snow.
Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robbers, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah. I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 30. Yeah, she's soda. Remy boys that know it. Fast money don't slow up. No one can control it. Yeah. And I got this soda now. Remy boys that know us. Hey, fast money don't slow up. No one can control it. Yeah, does, yeah, does, yeah, she's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby never act wild, very low key.
And that's it for this week's episode of Lake Crusader Adventures. If you want to get yourself a pair of these Rex Specs, check them out at rexspec.com, or you can find them on Instagram, Facebook, or any other social media. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Be sure to slap that subscribe button and be sure to get outdoors. We'd like to take a moment to thank our sponsors. Accutac, where design and ingenuity come together. EcoX Gear, play it loud. Manish, check them out on Instagram.